Here I'm going to play with one of the messages I've already created called new message. If I open this up, I can go down to the content step, and in this case is step 4. And as I can see, a little introduction into the Razorly email builder. Now, the first thing to know on the email builder is the little sidebar on the right-hand side. First off, you have body, and body is going to control all the background settings, the content width, some pre-header text, and also a couple of other things you want to get right before you start building. The next one you have is rows, in which you can drag and drop different types of rows into your email builder. And it's within these rows in which your content blocks are going to appear. Now, for each of the row, you can also change a bunch of settings such as background color, also its structure, its border, a whole bunch of different things that go in there as well. One of the really great things is you can also hide out particular rows for desktop, and you can also apply those for mobiles as well, giving you just the flexibility to create specific rows for mobile or desktop as you get building. And lastly, we have blocks, and blocks is really where you're putting your content into your rows. You've got a heading block, text block, image block, button block, divider block, HTML block if you do know some HTML, and also the video block is available too. Also available in the email builder is the option to use images, free images from Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, and more. You can find some great stock imagery across this builder. Now, within the body of your email content, there are a few little buttons to look out for. Firstly, you can actually drag and drop many of your blocks around to change the order of them if you like. You can also select on the different rows, giving you the ability to get rid of the row, duplicate the row, or even better, save the row as a template. And saving templates is going to be a great shortcut when wanting to apply changes to other emails. Down the bottom here, you can see a desktop view, but if you switch the button to mobile, you'll also see a mobile view. You can also preview the email as well, and also undo or redo some of your changes. Now let's make some updates to this very, very basic email to show you how the page builder can kind of work. Let's go in and change your image by selecting Select Image, bringing in the GIF, and we already have that applied. We can also do different widths alignments and put some other sort of URL links if we do want to make this clickable also. Now I also want to put some dummy copy in just so we can see how the content works. Within this content, I've got all sorts of options as well, such as font size and weights and text alignment. And I can do all sorts of things with the padding as well to make it exactly what I want it to look like. Now in almost every email is going to be a call to action button, and making sure these are styled right is going to be really important. One of the things you can do once you click on this block, you can change its background color simply by selecting the color here. And you've got a range of either template colors, or you can look at your common colors, and these are going to be pulling from your campaign settings. So if these are your brand colors, these are going to be a great shortcut. As mentioned before, saving row templates can save you a lot of time. Say this great little header that we have with a GIF saying thank you is one we want to be using later on. We can simply select it, hit save, call it a hero banner, for example. We can also add tags as well and select save. Now, if we go out of our row settings, we can now find that our template is available. We can simply drag this in as a new row. That's going to save you a lot of time when building your content out, and you can use these row templates across all your messages as well. Now, there's a lot more to creating stunning emails in Razorly. So check out our YouTube channel for more content as we help you create some amazing communication that's going to improve your campaigns going forward.